So for step 23, attaching the bumper. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory in that we're going to attach the bumper. So there's 3 screws that we are going to be using, which I've pulled together the hardware there, and there's our bumper. The only other piece with this is they're showing you to put the on-off switch sticker there, but there doesn't seem to be that much room for that. So I'll take a look, but I didn't think it was going to fit. But anyways, I'll set this up and we'll put the bumper on. So as you can see, we have our 3 holes, and there is our bumper that will then be attached with those 3 screws into those 3 holes. So I think what we'll do is I'm just going to, as I always do, just put this in, but sort of slowly go around and do each one. Make sure that they are going in correctly. And then we'll just slowly go around and make sure that they're all going in nice. In fact, I think I'll turn this around now. And there we go. So there is our bumper attached. So all that we have left is the on-off sticker. So I'm just going to go and take a look, but you can see there's not a lot of room there for that. But I'll just grab it and we'll see. So for this step, I went and took a look at the sticker, but it's not correct. There just isn't enough room in between the switch and the end. So I've put it on, but I've put it on sideways, so you can see that when you look at it this way, it's going to be from the side. But you don't necessarily have to have it on anyway, but if you choose to, that's the only way that you can do it. So I think what we'll do is we'll now move on to step 24, which is working on the wheels.